Hi. In this video we are going to have a look at Matomo Analytics reports. I will show you a couple of interesting features that most new Matomo Analytics users have never noticed. And in fact, this will make using Matomo Analytics much easier. For example, here I have a page title report. In page title report you can find, as expected, page titles and a couple of standard metrics for each row. But when you move the mouse to any of these lines, you will see some very well hidden, sometimes barely noticeable icons that you can click for some extra reports. Transitions report is maybe the most interesting for people analyzing the user behavior of the website. For example, we could have a look at dive zone brand diving boots page, and we can open the transitions page, and now in this report you will very clearly see where did the people arrive from and where did they continue their path on the website. Well, you will even see the traffic sources and if the people clicked some outlinks. These are things that are really nice to have in one page. Then you can have a segmented visit log. This might be somewhat problematic in the times of GDPR, but in any case you will be able to analyze individual users based on whether they visited this very page or not. Then this page performance report, we are not going to have a look at it today, but let's have a look at open row evolution. You'll basically have a segmented view for this one and only page. So you will be able to see how page views have developed over time. Then let's move to the bottom of the screen. Below this report you will find a couple of more small icons. You will find one icon with which you can show totals for each row on the bottom of the screen. I don't understand why they are not used by default, and you can exclude lines with low metrics. Well, I prefer to keep them. Next, you can also change table visualization. You can show either a simple table or display a table with goals metrics. Well, if you have defined goals, you will most probably want to see also goals metrics for each page. So don't know why that's not the default. It's too well hidden for my taste anyway. And one more interesting feature is the exporting dataset to other formats. You can use this for getting API calls. For example, if you want to get CSV data for this report with standard report, and for all the rows you can either export it or you can show export URL. Basically this is an API call. You just need to enter your authentication token here at the end of the API call. But this is pretty neat feature. I hope you learned something interesting today. If you have any questions you would like to be answered in the future videos, just write them below in the comment section. And remember to follow me if you want to see more videos about digital analytics in the real world.